What's up, YouTube? What's going on today, Facebook, man? Look, shout out to everybody, man. Shout out to all my people. I'm actually outside the gym right now, man. I'm about to go in there and get me a good workout in. But, my subscriber count picking up a lot, man. So, I told everybody, I'm going to keep the videos uploaded or whatever. But I'm nowhere near my real camera right now. And plus, I've been real busy today. So I felt like, I uploaded on my camera phone or whatever. So I apologize, if it's blurry or it's not really clear or whatever. But look, just a little message for everybody before I get my workout in, man. I want to say it's no such thing as, luck or coincidences, man. And what do I mean by that is a lot of times, all right, let me give you an example. For example, somebody that you might not seen in 10 years, right? You might run into that person 10 times in 1 week. You know what I'm saying? You might run into Billy, somebody you went to high school with. You might run into him at the gas station. Then you know what I'm saying? The next day you run into him at Walmart. Then you go to the gym. He right behind you in the gym. You know what I'm saying? Then you just see him everywhere. So you like, man, them just got to be coincidences. Ain't no way that I could run into him 10 times in 1 day but not see him in 10 years, right? But, man, it's God working. God control everything, man. It might be a message you're supposed to give him. It might be a message he's supposed to give you. You know what I mean? It's like it's certain things going on that you can't understand and you never will understand. You know what I mean? So all in all, you just got to realize that, it's God working through everything because God created everybody. You know what I mean? So, and basically another thing I want to say, man, is a lot of times, people use luck and coincidences all the time. Something happened to them, they're like, man, that's luck. Oh, man, I'm grateful for that, man, but what are the chances of that happening? I wasn't even doing my job like I'm supposed to, and I got a raise. They like, man, that's luck, man. It's God working, man. Because a lot of times, man, God uses things in your life, but he doesn't use people. You know what I'm saying? He will put you in certain situations, and he won't let another person be involved because he know that you're going to give credit to that person. You know what I'm saying? Instead of giving him credit. You know what I mean? If you got a flat tire on the interstate and you don't have a jack in your car, and all of a sudden somebody just out the blue, you know what I'm saying? If your cousin pop up just out the blue and help you with your tire, he know that you're going to give all the credit to your cousin. You're going to be like, man, my cousin a beast, man. My cousin everywhere, man. My cousin this, my cousin that, or what. You're going to give all the credit to your cousin. You know what I'm saying? As opposed to a complete stranger coming out the blue. You're not just going to give him credit. You're going to be like, man, I'm just thankful that dude was in the area, blah, blah, blah. You're going to kind of downplay it, you know what I'm saying? Instead of giving credit to God, you know what I mean? So a lot of times, God won't use, strong people, to do good things for you because he wants you to give the credit to him. You know what I mean? Like, it ain't all about your cousin, You need to be thankful that somebody was there to help you, you know what I'm saying? Change your tire if you ain't have a jack, So basically what I'm saying, man, is a lot of blessings going on around you. It's not coincidences. It's just God using other things besides people because he know that you're going to zone in, you're going to focus on them people, and you're going to boast them up instead of boasting him up for things that you can't, point directly to people. So, just keep that in mind, man. I thought I'd share that with you all today, man. It is what it is. So, give God credit in all situations, man. No such thing as a coincidence. No such thing as luck, man. You meant to have those blessings, man. You were created for a reason. So, keep that in mind. I'm about to get this workout in. Hope y'all having a good day. I apologize for the video being blurry or whatever. I'm on my camera phone. Been busy all day, but I still was able to get the video up, though, man. I'll let y'all let.